careful of that back tank.
Yeah, I know.
Is the tire still in play?
I don't know.
I don't think so. You haven't been doing that lately, so I didn't want to do it.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Russian is Russian of Russian.
In Soviet Russia, come fuck you.
Soviet Russia? What from Russia? This is scared me, man.
Oh yeah. I found a frying pan.
Put on your chest so you don't get shot.
Yo, someone's over there. Yo, who's got a long range?
Clearly I did.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
And the tires are not in play. This is horse shit.
He's not at the tires. He's at the one barricade on the left.
Yeah. Alright, how many more people are out there by the fence? One. Just by the back fence. Everybody see which way Rabbit went?
There's one. I think Rabbit went to the... I don't know where he went. I was paying attention and then... disappeared. Yo, there's one kid over there.
I found a frying pan.
Shit, that's no good.
I'm gonna get a frying pan kill.
Bomb phone, if you do, you'll be my hero. You out of ammo?
There's one back. I got 9 more. Block your face.
Yeah.
What's the time? Wait, we should be able to go on the tires. Okay, because I thought they said 1 minute.
No, he said no tires, man. I asked him already.
Josh, I'm gonna get someone out.
Hey, you can't hit them with that, man.
Hey, get to my bike. Walk around right.
We got snipers in the woods.
Somebody in the head with a fucking hat.
You just blind them. Kid, you can probably snipe from here.
I can see. Yeah.
He's just on the
You look
edge
straight
on the
through
side.
there, you can get him.
I'm right through this trail. Just see him right on the side, just leaning out.
Hey!
Hey, anybody want to step out there and take a look what's going on? Can't see anything from this angle.
I can't either.
I guess this is the part where this stuff.
Where's the fireworks
All
are?
right. What?
Where's the fireworks are?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to try.
You're at the point.
Can we go to the tires or no?
No.
Ah, fucking sniper! Son of a